All right, example C says a student received a 75% on her test. The test had 20 questions. How many questions did she answer not correct if each question was worth the same number of points? Okay, we had a problem like this a while back with that word not in there. That means that you're going to have to do something in there. It's not going to be just a plain, simple question like we're used to. So, if we need to figure out how many she did not get correct, that's how many she got wrong, that means that at some point we will have to subtract. Okay, you can do that at two different places. You can do it at the beginning or at the end. I usually like to do it at the end. But really, it doesn't make a difference. It's up to you. Okay, so let's make our proportion. Part over whole equals percent over 100. Okay, I love it when they do that. If they put the percent in there, then that's easy. That tells you exactly where the percent goes. It goes where the percent is. So this is 75 over 100. And now all we have to do is figure out 20. Is it the part or the whole? So the test had 20 questions. Okay, that is the total amount of questions. That's not how many she got right or wrong. That is how many questions there are total. So that is the whole. So that goes down here. We want to know the part, how many of those she got correct. Okay, this proportion that we're about to solve is going to tell us how many she got correct. The question is asking something different, but we're going to get to that at the very end. Okay, so now I have this proportion and I can simplify. That's the first thing that you should always look for. 75 and 100. If you've ever used quarters, then you should see that those can both be divided by 25. Okay, 75 divided by 25. How many quarters does it take to get 75 cents? That's 3. 100 divided by 25. How many quarters does it take to make a dollar? That's 4. So now I have x over 20 equals 3 over 4. There's another shortcut that you could take, but I'm not going to go over that one right now. I'm going to go straight to cross multiplying and dividing. So x times 4 is 4x, and that equals 3 times 20, or 20 times 3. Okay, so 4x equals 20 times 3 is 60. And now we need to divide both sides by 4. We need to get this 4 out of there, so that's what we divide by. So now x is going to equal 60 divided by 4. 4 will go into 6 one time. That's 4. Subtract, and you get 2. Bring down this 0. 4 goes into 20 5 times. That's 20 exactly. So x equals 15. Is that our final answer? No. Okay, that's the hard part about this. They want to know how many are not correct. So here's what we're going to do. The total was 20. The amount that she got correct, or right, is 15. But we want to know how many she got wrong or incorrect. So how do we find that? What do we do with these two numbers? We're going to subtract. So 20 minus 15 gives us 5. So your answer is 5 are not correct. Make sure on the your turn problem that you don't make that mistake. Make sure that you are doing that subtraction, because I promise you it's going to be on there. I wouldn't have done it if it wasn't. Okay.